Gagawa tayo ng low-carb pork bistec. Kailangan lang po natin ang thinly sliced pork. Naglagay lang ako ng salt and pepper, green dahan coconut cider vinegar. If you love this recipe, please like and share and follow me for more low-carb recipes and health tips. Maglagay ng cooking oil sa pan at maggisa lang tayo ng sibuyas at bawang. Then, add pork. At muntik ko nang nakalimutan ang green dahan organic cocoa aminos. Then, add water, just enough to cook pork until tender.
Baking essentials, condiments, nuts and seeds, healthy oils, coconut products, superfoods, herbs and spices, low-carb breads, kakanin, at may sugar-free ulam pa. Happy ang pamimili.
At haluin pa minsan-minsan para hindi magdikit-dikit. At ngayon, hanguin na natin. Lagay natin ang onions. At ito na ang ating low-carb pork bistec. At ngayon, prepare ko na ang aking low-carb meal for today. Siyempre, ang pork bistec, ang aking low-carb bulalo egg flavor, at low-carb lechon baboy egg flavor. O, diba? Ang sarap ng aking low-carb meal for today.